Ay, cutie, my buffalo. Are you cute, ha? You're walking now, ha? Are you sleeping already, ha? Walking, my buffalo, ha? Apling, ha? You walking now, ha? You stand up, ha? And walking, ha? Oh? Hmm? Hmm? Oh, easy. You are only 1 day old. Apling, ha? Oi, mama, no, don't angry, ha? Don't mad, mama. Why you, ah? Oh, apling, ha? You didi apling, ha? So, you can walk now, apling, ha? Ha? You're walking, ha? Okay. You're always sleeping, apling, ha? Ha? Playing? Imus ki apling, oy. Playing? You're alive now, apling, ha? Okay. Come, pling. Ah, Marcia, jealous, ah. Why you jealous, Marcia, ah? Pling? Pling. Come to Uncle Bulastog, pling. Pling. Imus apling, ay. Good boy apling, ba? Very good boy apling, ah. You go with me, apling, ah. Mama, ah. Ikaw, ah. You're bad mama, ah. Why you try to hit me, ha? Ha? You bad mama, ha? No good, ha? Uy, apling is sleeping again, ah. You tired, apling? Ha? You tired, na? Tired ka, apling? Mama, bad mama. Try to hit me, mama, apling, ah. Ha? No good mama, apling, ah. Ha? Kaya, mabaya? After didi mama, ha? Okay. Ha?